Hey guys, we're back with another video, and this is for turning on your microphone while you're broadcasting on YouTube via your PS5. So for a little bit I was starting up my chat, my broadcast on the PS5, streaming to YouTube, and I was wondering why my wireless headset or even my wired headset was not producing my microphone output. I kept talking into the microphone, all I heard was game audio, and that was it. And I figured out why. So once you hit the broadcast, once you're here, the broadcast, right, and you start up your YouTube, you also go into here, or it shows your timer, right, to your broadcast, and it brings up this box. And this is where that microphone icon is. So it's off. I'm on air, I'm live, but my microphone is off. Or it's on, but now it's off. Now it's off. So before it was off. I actually just turned it on. So before it was off, right? And now it's on. Now I can talk into my chat. So if you're having trouble doing the same thing, you're like, why isn't anyone hearing me? Definitely go into the broadcast and turn your microphone on. You'll see the icon again. I'll do it for you again. It'll have the icon being off. Turn it back on, and everybody will be able to hear you. So that's another tip. That's actually a tip and trick here to get your microphone working for your output on your PS5 streaming to YouTube. I'll catch you on the next one.